Abash, which means to feel embarrassed, to make ashamed. For instance, 1 girl though that the boy was doing salam to her, but he made her fool, so other students have laughed on her which abashed her. 2 poor student has abashed by other students in front of class because of his old uniform. 3 boy felt abash in front of his girlfriend when he could not bring expansive gift on her birthday to her. 4 mother abashed when her child have done mismanner behavior with his own mother in front of guest. Synonyms of abash: embarrassed, ashamed, shamefaced, remorseful, mortified. Antonyms of abash: unabashed, undaunted. Abash, 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 abash. On the other hand, a boy is looking so sad even the entire picture can show unhappy feeling just because of abash. But how? Well, when the boy went his girlfriend's family, they abashed him due to his poverty, no job, and old clothes. Thank you.